In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily convert a file from RGB to CMYK and vice versa using Adobe Illustrator. So I have a file open right here with some colored shapes. This file is set up as an RGB file, and the reason I know that is this top tab on the top left says RGB. So if I want to convert this to CMYK, I can go up to File, Document Color Mode, CMYK Color. If I click this, it's going to switch my file to a CMYK document. Okay, so it is now CMYK. When I did this, you saw that the colors shifted slightly. RGB files are set up to be viewed on screens. When we view something on a screen, we're seeing light coming through our monitor, brightening those colors. So RGB files typically look brighter, but CMYK files are meant to be printed. Those colors are not going to look as vibrant on an RGB monitor like mine. You can always go into your color and adjust it if you need it for CMYK. So if you click on one of these shapes and double click on the swatch on the left toolbar, you can see my RGB values, CMYK values here. You can adjust your CMYK values if you need to brighten the color by using this little selection box. Or you can also type in a revised CMYK value over here. The best way to convert your files from RGB to CMYK and make sure they print correctly is to do lots of test printing on the actual printer. So that's how you convert an Illustrator file from RGB to CMYK. If you like this video, check out my next video with this quick Illustrator tip. You can try a free 7-day trial of Adobe Illustrator using the link in the description of this video. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Cry Studio. I'll see you in the next video.